Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your windshield washer's pump is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just in front of the battery right here. To remove the cover, you will have three black tabs, one here, and one here. You want to press those tabs together and lift up to unlock it. Once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F23, which is a 15 blue fuse located here. Now there is actually two relays also responsible for front and rear washer pump, but they are not serviceable, so this is the only thing you can check. And if this fuse is good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and check the pump itself, all the connections and the wiring. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.